Hello student, I told in the last video I told you that Emperor Zuozong ordered a painter whose name was Wu Daozi to decorate a palace wall. When the king was seeing the landscape of the wall, at this time the painter Wu Daozi said to king, "Please look at the bottom of the mountain. There is a cave, and in this cave there lived a spirit." So he clasped his hand. The door of the cave opened and he entered. After that, the door of the cave was closed. In this way, we find that Chinese and Asian paintings reflect the essence of inner life. The essence of inner life. The Chinese painting does not describe the reality. It describes the essence of inner life. On the other hand, European painting describes reality. On the other hand, European paintings reveal delicate realism. Here it means that it describes reality. The writer says that there is a story. In this story, there was a blacksmith. There was a blacksmith whose name was Quentin. He lived Antwerp in Europe. There was a man whose name was Quentin. He was a blacksmith. He lived in Antwerp in Europe. But the Quentin has fallen in love with a painter girl. Quentin has fallen in love with a painter girl, a painter daughter. But the painter was not ready to adopt him as a son-in-law because he was a blacksmith. One day Quentin entered the studio of the painter quietly. One day he entered the painter's studio quietly and painted a fly on the painter's latest panel. He painted a fly on the painter's latest panel. After some time, when the painter returned to his own studio, he looked a fly on his latest panel. So he went there and tried to sweat it out. SWAT, sweat. Try to sweat it out sweat it out. To push with palm, hit with palm. Try to sweat it out, but he found it is not real. After that, he agreed. He agreed to marry to his own daughter to a blacksmith whose name was Quentin. After some times, Quentin became a very famous painter of his time. In this way, we saw that there is a great difference between Chinese painting and European painting. The Chinese painting does not describe the reality. On the other hand, European painting describe the reality. So student, in the next video I will tell you more about it. That's all.